All right, everybody, welcome back to Getaway Yoga. My name is Lamaj, and I'm currently spending the day in beautiful San Francisco. It's a beautiful day out here. There's an amazing breeze, which is perfect for what we're doing today. So we're going to be working on our planks, building up our core strength and strengthen our arms and our legs and our glutes everywhere. Planks affect every part of the body. So let's get to it. We're going to start at the back of our mats. And just take a deep inhale as we extend our hands all the way up to the sky. And exhale all the way down. Take a deep inhale as you come halfway up. And exhale all the way back down. Let's take a deep inhale as we walk ourselves into our plank. And hold. Exhale all the way down. Flip those feet to a nice upward dog. And flip those feet into our downward dog. And extend those hips all the way up to the sky. Extend those arms all the way out. And take a deep inhale as you motion yourself forward into your high plank. And let's just hold here for a few moments. Or a few breaths, I should say. The more you focus on your breath, the less you'll think about what we're doing, which is good for planks. And you can come down to your low plank and extend those hips all the way back up to the sky into our dolphin plank. And straighten yourself back out to your low plank. And we're just going to go back and forth between those two planks, our low plank and our dolphin plank. You can go at your own pace. And let's just go for a few rounds of that. And make sure you're taking those deep inhales and those peaceful exhales through these two motions. And when you're ready, we're going to come back up to our high plank. I just want you to bring your right hand to your waist and let's hold here for a moment. And let's go to the other side. And once more on our right side. And last time on our left. And go ahead back into your high plank. Let's just take 3 deep breaths right here. Go ahead and drop those knees to your mat. We're going to go into our child's pose. So either you can bring your knees together or you can spread your knees to the width of your mat. And we're just going to take a seat back and extend our hands all the way forward. Child's pose is always our resting pose for our plank workouts. It's a great place to catch your breath and take a little break from all the wobbling that you may be experiencing while you're trying to balance yourself. All right, let's get back to it. So right back into our high plank. And go ahead and lift your right leg up. And we're gonna bring it to our right elbow and back. And to our left side and back. And right to the center. And back. You can drop that down. Let's lift our left leg up. And let's bring it to our left elbow and back to the right and back and right into the middle and back and drop. And go ahead and extend your hips up to the sky into our downward dog. And bring yourself back into your high plank. And bring yourself down to your low plank. And we're just going to dip our knees into our mat and back up and down and up and down and up, and just go for about 3 more times. And lift those hips back into our dolphin plank. And drop those knees down right back into our child's pose. And roll yourself forward and back into your low plank. And we're just gonna dip one knee at a time down to our mat. And I'll let you know when to stop. Just keep going. Just hold as steady as you can. And keep going. And drop those knees once more. Back into our child's pose. And we're going to make our way into some side planks. So you can bring yourself back into your high plank. And I'm going to start on my right side. So rest your top foot right on the bottom foot and extend your hand all the way up. And if you would like to lift your leg, feel free. And hold. And try to be as stable as you can. I am definitely wobbling. And you can bring everything back down as we go to the other side. And take your time with it. And back down. And once more into our downward dog. And let's go right back to our side plank. Right on the right side. Extend that hand all the way up to the sky. And bring it down. And up. And down. And up. And down. And up. And let's switch sides. And go ahead and swing that arm under. And up. And bring it under. And up. And under. And up. And roll yourself back into your high plank. And we're just going to hold here. And go ahead and drop those knees into our final child's pose. Let's focus on those deep inhales and those peaceful exhales. And one more deep inhale. And let all of that out. And roll yourself up as we conclude today's workout on our core and all throughout our body through our planks. I hope you guys enjoyed today's quick workout. I'm a little sore from weight training outside of this, so today was a little painful for me. But it was a great workout. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you next time. All right, have a good day.